Hello everybody. This weekend we went to the Dee Flats OHB area, one of our favorite spots with the family. We deflated the tires, disconnected the sway bar, and went through the trail 800. Not really very difficult, just a very basic trail. It was a little bit different with the snow. The pools of water were a little bit deeper, but not that much. And it was fun to go with the Jeep. We had no issues, good traction, and we didn't even have to use locals or anything. My daughter was quite a trooper. She ran in front of the Jeep with my iPhone and filmed some of the water crosses that we did. We also flew the drone a bit and took some aerial shots, and it was quite fun. Later on we took the exit through the back roads of Dee Flats and ended up finding a lot more snow, probably around 15 inches of snow on the ground. We went uphill and we had no traction with these tires. I'm not quite happy with these tires I'm running. Procom, all-terrain. We're running 35s, and even with the tires deflated, we had quite a challenge going uphill. So we ended up having to chain up the front wheels. I'd rather deal with the chains during the day than having to deal with those at night. So it was getting dark. I just decided to put the chains on to make sure that we will make it through. You'll see later on in the video, it was quite a bit of snow. So we ended up basically chaining up, and it took us about 2 hours to finish the rest of the trails. These are some of the water crosses that my daughter was filming. You can see her on the left. What a trooper filming. She loves doing that and gets good shots. So anyways, here's where we're going up the hill to the snowy part, and that's the Jeep basically chain up on the front. The height of the Jeep was just perfect. We didn't have any issues. We didn't get stuck. We just lost traction going uphill and, felt the need for the chains. But that was it. That was quite fun on the weekend. Thank you guys for watching.
Helicopter.